This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. The Constitutional Court has ruled that the government of Jamaica should pay the rank and file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force the amounts owed for overtime from April 2008 to present based on negotiations with the state. The ruling was made in a judgment handed down on Friday by the full court. In the claim, the Police Federation, now headed by Corporal Rowan James, sued the state because of frustrations caused by the state's failure to keep promises made. According to the court, unchallenged evidence revealed that the existing manual recording system for the police force remained unreliable due to integrity issues. The claimants further contended that a new system has not yet been established and further argued that they are contractually entitled to have the system established. One of St. James's most notorious gunmen, Odin Christopher, was fatally shot during a confrontation with the police Thursday night. Reports are that a targeted operation conducted by the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Branch led the police to intercept a vehicle along the Edward Seaga Highway in the vicinity of the Linstead exit. When signaled by the police to stop, two men alighted from the vehicle and opened fire at the police team. The gunfire was returned and the two men were fatally shot. The other shooter is yet to be identified. An Intratec Tech 9 submachine gun and a 9mm pistol were seized. According to police, Christopher is known to be a high-ranking member of the Bushead gang. He was charged with murder and reporting in St. James on condition of his bail. Tropical storm warnings were issued early Friday for much of the Florida Peninsula, Cuba, and the Bahamas as a system that battered Mexico moves through the Gulf of Mexico, bringing threats of heavy rain and wind for the weekend. The National Hurricane Center in Miami said the storm, once known as Agatha in the Pacific Ocean, will be known as Alex in the Atlantic Ocean basin. An advisory posted early Friday noted that data from a Hurricane Hunter aircraft indicates the system's maximum sustained winds had increased overnight, and it was expected to develop a well-defined center and become a tropical storm as it approaches Florida, the Hurricane Center said. A system becomes a tropical storm when winds reach 62 kilometers per hour. It's becoming like clockwork on Wednesday evenings, motorists crowding gas stations following the announcement of huge increases in petrol prices. So ORAP took to the streets to ask motorists how the rising gas prices have impacted their driving habits.
I changed already long time, boss. What you say? I bring to school, pick my daytime, go to school. I'm come out by road, 9 o'clock, I'm done. 1 o'clock, I'm going by road, go to school, pick them. I'm by 1 o'clock, I go for that, it's 3:30, I'm done, I go park here. Gas store, I can't manage this, brother. Can't manage it, I swear.
Try is but for change the driving habit. Which I don't really have a bad driving habit because I don't drive up and down for nothing at all. I have to go somewhere because the gas definitely too there. You know what I mean? If you put $3,000 gas last week and it got 2 strokes and you put the same $3,000 this week, and 1 stroke I get.
Right, that $1,000 gas I have to go buy and $2,000 gas more. But I will have in my pocket now, you know.
Yes, we have to do that because we have to leave from all the way to Lawrence Tavern to find a cheaper gas station to get the gas. So we can be able to fill up the tank. Can't buy up in all the hills. Hills price a kill we. Hills price almost double the gas station price here. So what we are going to do? Prime Minister need to do something about it.
This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.